Start indoor gardening for newbie. Indoor gardening can be a game changer for those looking to bring a touch of nature into their home. Not only does it spruce up your living space, but it's also a great way to cultivate a calming atmosphere right where you live. Plants can improve air quality, boost your mood, and even offer a handy distraction from life's hustle. Before you dive into buying seeds or plants, take a moment to assess your space and lighting conditions. Are you working with a sunny windowsill or dim corners? The amount of natural light will heavily influence the type of plants you can grow successfully. If you're low on sunlight, don't worry. Plenty of plants thrive in low-light conditions. Think about where you'll place your plants, considering both their beauty and practicality. Indoor gardening isn't just about putting a plant on a table. It's about creating an environment that suits both the plant and your lifestyle. Before planting anything, research and plan ahead. The first step is understanding your space and light, which means observing where the sun hits throughout the day and identifying any potential spots for your new green buddies. Having a realistic plan helps set the stage for successful gardening. A bit of preparation goes a long way in ensuring your indoor garden will be both beautiful and manageable. It also means you're less likely to run into issues down the line, like plants wilting due to improper conditions. Choosing the right plants, picking the right plants can make or break your indoor gardening experience. For beginners, it's essential to start with plants that are forgiving and easy to care for. Think of resilient green buddies like pothos, snake plants, and spider plants. These are known for their hardiness and ability to thrive in less than perfect conditions. When you're selecting your plants, keep in mind the light available in your home and your personal time commitment. If you have a sunny spot, herbs like basil and mint might thrive there, adding a delightful scent and even some flavor to your meals. Low light areas? No problem. Opt for a philodendron or ZZ plant that can handle the darker corners. Another factor to consider is your lifestyle. If you're frequently on the go, low-maintenance plants that don't mind a little neglect might be best. On the flip side, if you're home a lot and looking for a hands-on hobby, you can try your hand at more delicate plants like orchids or ferns. In choosing plants, you're really picking your gardening partners. It's best to start with a couple of different types to see what works best in your space and suits your routine. Remember, this is your garden, so it's all about what makes you happy and fits your lifestyle. Planting basics, seeds versus seedlings. Starting your indoor garden means choosing how you want to grow your plants, seeds or seedlings. Each method has its perks and challenges, so understanding the differences can set you on the right path. Seeds are often cheaper and offer a wide variety of plant choices. You get the satisfaction of watching life grow right from the start. However, growing from seeds requires patience and attention, as they need consistent care to sprout and thrive. It's possible to plant seeds directly into soil indoors, especially for fast germinating plants like lettuce or radishes. Just make sure to follow the seeding depth and spacing instructions on the package for best results. On the other hand, seedlings give you a head start. They've already been nurtured through their most vulnerable phase, so they're a bit more resilient when you bring them home. This can be a real confidence booster if you're new to gardening. With seedlings, you're almost halfway there and can focus more on keeping them healthy and happy. Both seeds and seedlings have their place in the indoor gardening world. Your choice may depend on how involved you want to be right from the germination stage, or if you're happier just getting to the green thumb part. Whatever your pick, getting the basics down will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Timing your indoor planting. Getting the timing right for your indoor garden can make a significant difference in how your plants flourish. Unlike outdoor gardens that rely on natural seasons, Indoor gardening gives a bit more flexibility, yet timing remains key for optimal growth. The beauty of indoor gardening is that you aren't stuck with Mother Nature's calendar, but it's still wise to consider the growth cycles of your chosen plants. Many indoor gardeners begin when daylight increases, like in spring, to mirror outdoor conditions, even indoors. Timing isn't just about seasons, though. It's also about what works for your schedule. Some plants like lettuce and herbs can be started any time, since they flourish without needing full sun all day. However, if you're planning on growing something like tomatoes indoors, it's beneficial to start them early in the year to maximize the light as they grow. When it comes to planning, a little research can go a long way. Different plants have different preferred growing periods, and starting your garden when plants naturally want to grow will save you a lot of hassle. So, while the seasons might not dictate your indoor planting as much, keeping them in mind when you plan can lead to healthier, happier plants. Aligning planting schedules with the type of plants and your lifestyle can help ensure your indoor garden is lush and thriving. Maintaining and caring for your indoor garden. Keeping your indoor garden happy and thriving is all about routine and attention to detail. It's important to remember that each plant has its own needs, but a few general tips can keep your plants looking their best. Watering is crucial, yet it's key to avoid overdoing it. Most indoor plants prefer a relaxed drink rather than a daily soak. Make a habit of checking the topsoil. If it's dry, it might be time to water, but always err on the side of less rather than more to prevent root rot. Fertilizing indoor plants can give them a little extra boost. It's not required for every plant, but many benefit from a diluted fertilizer every once in a while. This is especially true if they are displaying signs of nutrient deficiencies, like yellowing leaves. Pruning is your friend when it comes to keeping plants tidy and encouraging new growth. Removing dead leaves or overgrown branches not only improves appearance, but also helps your plants direct energy to healthier parts. Many indoor gardeners face challenges such as pests or drooping leaves. A little vigilance goes a long way in spotting issues early. Inspect plants regularly for signs of trouble, and don't hesitate to adjust light or water if things seem amiss. Building a simple routine around your plants can be a relaxing, almost meditative experience. Over time, you'll learn what makes them tick and can adjust care as needed. Embracing these daily practices not only keeps your garden in top shape, but also adds a touch of zen to your busy schedule. Parting words. Please share your indoor gardening experiences with our community of readers. Did this post help you in any way? Let us know in the comments section below. We would love to hear your ideas and thoughts, and I always reply. Subscribe below.